Good morning, first grade. Last week we completed list 27. Now we're on list 28 for spelling. So I want to go over just a few of the little hints and tips and rules in spelling that I can give you to help with your list this week. So we have our word families up here on the board. And I have this little guy up here, this rule, and then we're going to be working with the suffix ing. So follow me up here to the board. We have this AR with this funny little triangle. Remember when we see this symbol, it influences the way the R sounds. It changes the way the R sounds a little bit. So our word families, we have the word air. Do you hear how when I say air, it just air, it just sounds a little bit different. That is because it's paired with an I. Or two vowels, sorry. Then we have the word hair, and then pear. I tried to color code these a little different so that you can see that these all stay the same. So this is the word you need to learn, air, and then your just beginning letter changes to hair and pear. And this is a pair of shoes. So a pair means two, okay? Go ahead and move to the second column. We have the word family IDE, I'd. So a long I. We don't hear this E. This E is silent. We're going to put an H in front of it. Hide, ride, and slide. Here's our word blend right here. S and L together, slide. Remember a blend, we hear both letters put together. Long I, silent E. So that E is tricky. Now over here, this is probably going to be, I would think, the hardest thing for you this week is we're going to be adding the suffix ing, but the rule to that is we have to change these endings. So the last word family for you are these words after we change them. So we already did the words here. They're written here again, but we've got to change these ones. So I have a different color. We have to, whenever a word ends in a vowel, ends in an E, and a vowel, and before we add the suffix, we need to drop this E. We have to say goodbye to the E, okay? And then you can add ing. So then our new word would be hiding. Okay? So it's kind of a little tricky. Over here, the E is silent. Over here, we're just saying goodbye. We're getting rid of the E. We don't want him anymore because he's silent. Okay? So we're going to say goodbye to this E and ride. And we're going to write the new word, riding. Let's go horseback riding. And then one more time, we're going to say goodbye to the E for slide. And then we're going to add or make the new word, sliding. Okay? Not too shabby. I hope that doesn't confuse you. And Mrs. Connor forgot to write your memory word down here. Your memory word is any. Any. A-N-Y. And that one's a little tricky because you don't hear the A or the ah sound. You hear any. You hear more of the N than anything. Any. Okay? And that's it for this week. You will have to do workbook pages, I believe, 56 and 57. And then I will give you other instructions on Jupiter of what else to turn in. This is due Friday. Good luck with your spelling, and I'll see you here again soon.